Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share a super tasty and healthy recipe, Vazhaipoo Vadai or banana flour fritters. I have already shared several delicious recipes using banana flowers. I will provide the links in the description box below so you can check them out. Now let's get started with today's recipe. First we need to clean the banana flowers, which is the tricky part of this recipe. I have used one medium-sized banana flower for this recipe. You will need to remove the stamen with the bulged head and the pink petal from each floret. Once cleaned, soak them in buttermilk until you are ready to use them. I have already posted a detailed video on how to clean banana flowers. I will provide the link in the description box. Take 1 cup of Bengal gram, which is kadalai paruppu in Tamil and chana dal in Hindi. Soak it for 3 to 4 hours or overnight and keep all the ingredients ready. In a blender, add the soaked chana dal, chopped ginger and garlic, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 2 to 3 dry red chilies, salt to taste and 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Blend everything into a thick coarse paste by sprinkling just a little water. The mixture should be thick and not too smooth. Transfer the paste to a mixing bowl. Add the chopped banana flower, onion, coriander leaves and curry leaves. Then add 1/8 teaspoon of asafoetida. Check the salt and adjust if needed. Mix everything thoroughly to combine. Finally, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of rice flour to help bind the mixture. If the mixture turns out a little wet, you can add a bit more rice flour as needed to get a thick, firm consistency. Heat oil in a frying pan. Take small lemon-sized portion of the mixture, flatten them slightly in the center as shown in the video, and drop them carefully into the hot oil. Fry over medium heat until golden brown on both sides. Make sure to cook the vadas all the way through. If the oil is too hot, the outside will brown quickly while the inside remains uncooked. And that's it. Your crispy and delicious Vazhaipoo Vadai are ready to enjoy. You can serve them as is or with coconut chutney, tomato ketchup or any other chutney of your choice. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting recipes. Thanks for watching.